What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video, and look what I got behind me. 2019 Lamborghini Performante, and we're installing Vorsteiner Bodykit. If you guys haven't seen part 1, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out. Us taking the car apart and all the way to this point. So in this video, part 2, we're gonna start installing the Vorsteiner Bodykit. I gotta test fit the fenders, the hood, the bumper, pretty much get this car ready for paint. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Enough of this talk, let's get to work. We got the Lambo inside of the shop, so we could start working on it and start test fitting the fenders, the hood, install the bumper, pretty much get this car ready for paint. But let me show you so far what we got. So I stripped everything, removed the rocker moldings, the fender liners, everything up here as well. Here is my new fenders, Vorsteiner, with forged carbon vents. It looks super aggressive, and a forged carbon hood. Complete. So it's gonna look super nice once we're done with it. So for now, we'll start with the fenders. I gotta drill the holes out, pretty much line it up where my gaps are perfect to the factory spec. So let's go. We're gonna start with the left side fender, and first thing what you gotta do, you gotta drill out the holes slightly bigger because they're too tight and you have no adjustments whatsoever. So yeah, you gotta drill them out. This way we'll have more adjustments so we could make our gaps 100% perfect. So let's do that and we'll go from there. Installed the fender. So far so good, not too bad. Let's check it out. Gaps are pretty good up here by the headlight. Same with the fender. So next I'm gonna install the passenger side, and then we'll install the hood and see how our hood lines are. Just installed the bumper, hood, and fenders, and boy oh boy, it looks super aggressive, man. I love it. What do you guys think? Comment below what are your guys' thoughts on this build. So far so good. Let's go around and I'll show you what's going on with the body kit. So for the most part, everything aligns pretty good. The only thing I'm not happy about it is right here, like this gap. So I gotta shave this little off so it'll be straight. On this side doesn't look too bad. Door gaps are perfect as well. And let's check out this side. And then this side it's a little bit more, so I gotta shave this off as well. But other than that, everything aligns pretty good. So far so good. Super happy with the fitment, so let's just fix those little two problems, and other than that, it's gonna be 100% perfect like factory. So let's continue working on it and we'll go from there. I just removed the bumper so we could see it better, what's going on with the fender, and let me show you to you what's interfering with our perfect gaps. If you guys could see this, like it goes straight right here and then this pops out, so I'm just gonna get a nice block and block it up and make this all straight, even line. And same with this side. On this side it's a little less, but same thing, I just gotta block it real good and should be perfect gaps. So for that I'm gonna have to remove the fenders once again and I'll sand everything off, and I also gotta install the side bumper brackets in there as well, and I'll show you in a minute as well. So yeah, something like this. Let's remove the fender and we'll go from there. We got a little progress report. We're finished with the right side fender and the bracket fits like a glove, like factory. Let's check it out. End up doing, I drilled out the holes so the bracket could slide and clip in, and also I installed nut rivets so this way we could just screw that in there, and that's it. Something like this, like factory, my friends, ready to go. So next we're gonna do the same thing on the other side and we'll install the bumper and see how our gaps. Let's go. So right now I just installed the fenders back. We're doing the final test fitting. Make sure everything is good, everything lines up, gaps are perfect. I drill side holes for the bracket as well, so the bracket fits very well. So right now what I'm doing, I installed the covers back, and I marked my holes. I gotta drill them out, and I'm gonna put rivet nuts, so we could just put the screws in there. So it's gonna be like factory, and same on this side. So screws will fit in there like a glove. And then for the final, we'll install the bumper again, and I'll support it with side brackets. Pretty much install it completely, and I wanna see all my gaps, make sure they're squeaky good. And that's it, we're ready for pretty much paint. I'll take everything apart again, and we'll start prepping and painting. Simple and easy, let's go. That's it, just installed my rivet nuts, so now we could install the covers, no problem. Everything lines up like factory. Let's take a look. Look at this. Looks like factory. So yeah, I made two right here, one right here. I still gotta drill one out right here, but I'll do it once I remove the fender. I don't wanna scratch the hood. And up here, I already installed this cover piece just to see how it's gonna look, and it looks perfect. Let me show you guys the original fender, what it looks like. Here's the original fender, as you guys could see. It has exactly the same rivet nuts. Boom, perfect. Next, I wanna install the bumper and secure the bumper, and I wanna look at my gaps. And if I like the gaps, we'll remove everything and we'll start the painting process, like I said. Let's go. Put the Lamborghini together and we're officially done. So this is what it's gonna look like. So let's go around and I'll show you what's going on and what the gaps looks like. Installed the bumper, finalized everything. Gaps are perfect. Check them out. Everything lines up really well. Same with the door. Same with the bumper. So everything's secured. So this is what it's gonna be. This is the final product. Check out this gap. It's good as well. Door gap, bam, and same with the bumper. So next we'll start the painting process. So for now, we'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 3. In part 3, we'll start taking the car apart again, start prepping the fenders and painting, and pretty much start putting the car back together, get it ready for wash, detail, and delivery. And I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in part 3. До свидания!